Mindfulness is defined as the act of paying complete attention on purpose to the present moment without judgment. By paying complete attention, we're tuning into our body, inhabiting it, paying attention to the stimuli passing through our body and allowing us to interact with our world. By doing that on purpose, we're recognizing our conscious ability to harness that attention and direct it to the present moment, because we always tend to live either in the past or in the future, replaying past events or planning for future ones. And so by grounding ourselves in the present moment, we allow ourselves to provide an anchor within ourselves, and without judgment, which is probably the hardest thing to do, recognizing the mental dialogue that we superimpose onto our realities and disengaging from it, our likes, our dislikes, our opinions, and our judgments, so that we can look at reality in its raw form. So the first meditation is called the Awareness of Breathing meditation, which is really one of the foundations of the mindfulness-based stress reduction program. It is one of the formal meditation practices. It can be practiced from 1 minute up to 40 minutes or even longer, based on how much time you have and how comfortable you become with the meditation. And remember, the more you practice meditation, just like a muscle, the stronger it gets and the more it becomes part of your normal mental dialogue and able to help you in difficult situations. Begin by gently identifying a place in front of you and focusing your gaze there, and taking a round of deep breaths. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling. With your next inhale, maybe a little bit deeper, and your next exhale, maybe a little bit longer. And on the next round, gently closing your eyes as you exhale. Starting to tune into your senses, anything you might be hearing, any smells, tastes, any sensations on or in your body. And finally, any thoughts, opinions, judgments. And as you inhale and exhale, gently let go of your day, of what you might need to be doing. Just allowing yourself to be here, now, in the present moment, in a state of non-doing. Just breathing. Not needing to be anywhere or doing anything. Just allowing yourself to have the next few moments to tune in to your breathing. Bringing your awareness to where the act of breathing registers on your body. Noticing your belly and your chest. Noticing how, as the abdomen expands, the chest expands. And then the chest relaxes and the abdomen relaxes. Noticing how, when the chest cavity expands, the abdominal cavity shrinks. And when the abdominal cavity expands, the chest cavity shrinks. A constant exchange. A pattern you can tune into at any moment of any day. Just noticing the act of breathing, remembering how it will continue until the very last breath, always there for you to access. A space that you can find within you, always there, no matter what's going on the outside. Moving your awareness into your shoulders, noticing how they rise and fall. Bringing your awareness into your throat, noticing the movement of air, noticing how on the inhale it's a little bit cooler, and on the exhale it's a little bit warmer. Noticing those temperature sensations in the back of your mouth, at the back of your nose, and at the tips of the nostrils. Just taking a moment to notice the act of breathing moving through your entire body. And when the mind wanders, coming back to the act of breathing. The entire inhale and the entire exhale, featuring them center stage in your field of awareness. And when thoughts come, becoming center stage, bringing your awareness back to your abdomen, your chest, your throat, mouth, and nose. Just being here, breathing. Noticing the space you've just created. Maybe the space is a little bit calmer, maybe a little bit more neutral. And just knowing that this is a place you can always come to. A place where you're grounded in your being, whole, complete, aware. And for the next few moments on your own, continue to stay with your breathing. And when you hear the bell, come back to the room.